차발로베 되는 누구 대화르되라 케메시 대화 충나 차바테 침뷰 도토메시 Trashtele thank samalo thoma samdi trashtele shuyin hi everyone, my name is Dr. Chok Yemingla Dr. Chok segi ye ta tusu tungdung ji nanglola nganjugi yingmong sewe tablam ani lobdi chigyin peje zinda chudang chungye parola chawache yin. Well, I'm going to teach how to read Tibetan in the shortest possible time, and this is based on my own more than 10 years research, and the book is not yet published. It's called Standard Tibetan Pronunciation, but the photocopies are widely used all over the world. Before I teach the second lesson, let me do a little bit of revision of what I taught in the first lesson. Thiring lobsen niba mati be ngarutu ngoma lobsen thangbu kership chigyin. Ta khazngema kharichang barasnganju. What we have learned last time was only basically three main sounds. A, ha, ah. That's it. If we extend, then they become 15, but actually it's just three sound. A, ha, ah. Let's begin the second lesson. So in the second lesson, we're going to learn the 5 vowels and 30 consonants. So the 5 vowels are A, I, U, E, O. Yang ala tak yomare. Amongst the 5 vowels, the first has no symbol, and rest have their symbols. I, U, E, Ola, Tishila Tayore. This is Kigu. This is Shapkyu. Jengbo, Naro. So they represent I, U, E, O. Takaka kangati yawacheyore. Po, maning, mo, shindup moslani. Consonants are divided into 4 genders. It's a masculine, neuter, feminine, and super feminine. In the blue color, you see the masculine letters, and in the yellow, you see the neuters. In pink, you see the feminine letters. In the light pink, you see the 4 nasal letters. Now let's recite the kaka, the alphabet. Ka, 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 nga. For Tibetans, this is quite easy. We can differentiate the subtle differences in ka, ka, ka. It's quite obvious. But for non-Tibetans, it's pretty difficult. So let's differentiate these by using the 3 main sounds that we have learned in the previous lesson. So when you learn to read the alphabet, they are divided into 7.5 groups. So the first set is ka, 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 nga. So how should we differentiate? It's very easy. A, ha, ah, ah. So ka, ah, you see the a sound. So it should end with that vowel ending sound. Ka. Next is ka. It's ha sound. Ka. And next is ka. Ka. And the last one is nga. It's still breathing comes from the nose as well, but it's still so nga. So it's ha, so you exaggerate it. Ka, sound. Ka, nga. So we follow the same rule here. So masculine letters, you always end with sound, and the neuters with ha, and feminine and nasal letters with sound. So 대반이버디. Next set is 자, 차, 자, 냐. 대바 숨바. Third, 따, 타, 타, 나. 대바 시바. Fourth set, 빠, 파, 파, 마. 대방아바. Fifth set, 짜, 차, 차, 와. 대바. 당분에 ngawul batola thuna yagon nangore tinenga chimbore. The most important thing that we need to pay attention are the first 5 groups. Let me read in gender wise. Let me read the masculine letters. Ka, cha, ta, pa, za. When you say these masculine letters, you will hear the verbal ending very, very clearly. Ta maning lobaina. Let me read the neutral letters. Ka, cha, ta, pa, cha. So do you number halidoa. So the verbal ending is ha. The mui kandes labore nana. Let me read the feminine letters. Ka, cha, ta, pa, cha. Shindup mo yi kandes logore nana. Let me read the nasal letters. Nga, nya, na, ma. That do someone nane tendir. So you see, you need to breathe from the nose, otherwise it doesn't make the sound. Nga, nya, na, ma. So nga, nya, na, ma. Thoma kaka chang yu kane dides changore. Let's learn like that. Aha, 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 kaka, kanga. Same as saying aha, You remember these three sounds. Aha, kaka, kanga, chacha, chanya, tata, tana, papa, pama, 자차, 자와. 이러던 됨 맞췄나? 아니 이게 깨내당. 아니 제바 뭔지 지어버려. So if you cannot pronounce them well, then use this chart. 다 롭제 숨바 테나노라 먼저 대바 두바 듬바 개바당 아니 이게 깨내당 제베골라. So in the third lesson, we're going to learn set 6, 7, and 8. Laso hengezu lopsendi pen togu chungsung gona ani kada nemro nang kana shi wola chenkyo nang.
Do you think it's beneficial?
like,
subscribe,
comment.
and turn on the bell notification.
Yay, thank you.
Yeah.